Knowledge management and organizational learning. Introduction. The present business world recognizes the importance of organizational learning. This is because today's well established business organization experience decline due to the diminishing competitive power in the global economy. This emphasizes the need for organizational renewal and transformation. This situation makes the scenario manager and senior manager of the present times business organization realize the significance of organizational learning. Knowledge management permits encourage facilities and gives direction to improve organizational learning, and through organizational learning business enterprises is able to practice knowledge management on a day-to-day basis. Concept of organizational learning. The continual refreshing and updating of intellectual capital by organizations is involved in the process of organizational learning. This continual refreshing and updating helps business enterprises in strongly building their competitive advantage. Organizational learning is collective learning of the organization because learning is a collective process of acquiring, assimilating, and internalisting inputs for generating new knowledge, idea, skills, and behavioral patterns. Hence, organizational learning adopt the concept of learning in it. Learning process in general involves the following stages. Knowledge acquisition. This stage deal with the development or creation of skills, insights, and relationship. Knowledge sharing. This stage involves the dissemination of the learning throughout the organization. Knowledge utilization. This stage provides the integration of learning so that it is broadly available and generalized to new situation. Source for learning includes learning at the individual level of an employees, ideas, research and development, R&D, customer input, best practice sharing, and benchmarking. Generally, a person learns through his own experience, learns factors his customers from his colleges, superiors, suppliers, and business partners. Organizational learning is the process by when the organization acquires, retains, and uses information and ideas of in development and for strengthening its self-learning and the receiving capacity. Organizational learning is a key internal driven for formulating strategy for its long-term sustenance because it is a means of acquiring and generating operational knowledge. However, each organization must build capacities for managers, knowledge in management knowledge, and strengthening learning. Therefore, organization learning is the connection between knowledge and learning when establish organizational focus and strategy. The term organizational learning refers to continuous improvement of existing approaches and process and adaptation to charge leading to new global and approaches. However, for organizational learning to be effective, learning must be on a regular part of the daily work. Most of the most focus on personal work units and organizational levels must focus on solving problem at source, must focus on sharing knowledge throughout the organization, must focus on opportunities that shall bring significant changes for better. Research reveals that there are three learning related factors crucial for organizational success: well developed core competence that serve as launch point for new product and services, an attitude that supports continuous improvement in the business value added chain, the ability to fundamentally renew or revitalize business functions based on need. These factors identify some of the qualities of an effective learning that organization direct process and continually enhance knowledge to international or transformational change. In this instance, there is learning system to support actionable learning. Thus, an organization's ability to service and grow depends on advantages that stem from correct transformation that represent collective learning. Organizational learning definition and meaning. Organizational learning is the transformation process that translates individual learning into organizational domain. Organizational learning occurs through the modification of mental work schemes or cognitive maps shared inside recognizing a changes in information concerning organization, environment, organizational keeping occurs when individual acting from their own image and maps detect a mismatch of customers that conform or disconform organization theory in use. It is a process where individuals share their insight, knowledge, and ideas to develop a common understanding. Through this process of learning, organization enrich their knowledge base, which help them in knowledge generation and in the end of to face external challenges as innovative or a productive organization would strive to be a learning organization skilled at creating, acquiring, and transferring knowledge and modifying its behavior to reflect new knowledge and inside organizational learning is the development of new knowledge and insight that have the potential to influence behavior. Organizational learning occurs when member of number and organization share association cognitive system and memorize. Organizational learning relies on the people and group who serve as agent for the transfer of knowledge. The knowledge this learned over a period is built into the structure, culture, and memory of the organization. In an organization, it becomes imperative for individuals to process certain skill set for acquiring and assimilating organizational learning. They are ability to understand the culture of the organization, ability to let go of old myth, ability to notice new patterns, language as an indicator, multitasking, maintenance, short term memory overload, low level depression, and increasingly hungry culture, change of speed, ability to develop a clear perspective, open perspective, ability to relax, sense of humor, ability to lack, knowledge, knowing your history, insulate fears, ability to scan for information, ability to generate energy with coaching and building of esteem, ability to bring energy, ability to learn forever, ability to own your own career, ability to create safe environment for others, ability to see what's coming and what's leaving so you can make choices faster response time. The following are some of the key facilitators for organizational learning: the presence of strong marketing research functions for effective environmental scanning, measures to ensure that feedback regarding organizational functions and process are adequate, developing of merits to gauge the effectiveness organizational learning system, process of encouraging pilot testing and experimentation, ability of core subject matter expert to provide leadership to learning activities, free flow of information within the organization, continuous learning within the organization, continuous process and system improvement and re-engineering, proper management support. Organizational learning benefits. The following are the benefits of organization learning to business organization: enhancing value to customer through new and improved product and services, developing new business opportunities, reducing error, defect, waste and related cost, improving representativeness and cycle time performance, increasing productivity and effectiveness in the use of all resources throughout the organization, and enhancing the organization performance in fulfilling its public responsibilities and service as a good citizen. Learning organization. A learning organization is an organization that has system, mechanism, and process. It continually enhances the capabilities of those who work with it or for it to achieve sustainable objectives. Learning, both individual and organizational, is the process by which it increase knowledge assets over a period. Every organization learns, however, to be successful. Managers must seek to align both individual and collective learning with the strategic intent of the firm. This means that as executive design their business strategies, they need to determine what specifically and when their firm needs to learn, and create mechanism to do so. For example, if an insurance firm is trying to make inroads into the environment management business, its executives will have to make sure that their firm learns the new business while continuing to advance its knowledge of the insurance business. A knowledge management strategy, therefore, may include hiring new talent, designing new products, implementing job rotations, and altering organizational structures to facilitate the flow of the new knowledge between existing and new business. Learning organization characteristics. Learning organization has the following key characteristics towards acquiring new knowledge: teamwork and team learning, systematic thinking and mental models, free vertical and horizontal flow of information, education and training of the whole workforce, learning rewards system for employees, continuous improvement of work, flexibility of employees and company strategies, decentralized hierarchy and participate management, constant experimentation, supportive corporate cultures. Value chain. Organization must build an index of their core competence and learning investment. This helps the organization to value their competence and learning. Learning investment includes allocation personnel and money to develop knowledge and skills over time, including training and education, pilot project development, assignment, available resource, and so on. If a particular organization heavy focused on heavy engineering, it would have a natural business basis favor of sustained learning investment in related areas. Value chain classified into categories: internally directed activities of a designs and make nature and those more extremely focused of a cell and deliver nature. The former includes R&D, engineering and manufacturing. The latter are sales, distribution and service activities. Skill development. Individual and group skill are important for an organization in order to develop both individual and group skill business enterprise adopt better ways of integrating individuals learning programs with terms. The Economic Intelligence Unit EIU in cooperation with IBM counseling group had conducted an incentive study of engineering organizational learning OL and knowledge management KM practice around the globe. 345 companies responded in 26 countries in 1999. Typical organization learning activities undertaken are behavioral changes to improve teamwork, changing individual and corporate behavior, facilitating ongoing team based and collaborative management, leading individuals or team training activities, assembly of multidisciplinary teams to solve business problems. Organizational learning in its broadcast sense refers to a variety of practice and values that enable a company to explore continually new direction and anticipate or even lead change in the marketplace and society. Learning enhances a company's speed, innovativeness, and adaptability. Technological change, shorter product life cycle, market shift, and global competition affect some industries more than others, but shift and global all companies need to synthesize information and generate knowledge faster. Learning addresses a company desire to better anticipate and adapt to changing market conditions, reach the market with more innovative products faster than competitors, and maximize responsiveness to customer needs. Learning organizations are effective not only towards creating new knowledge but also in applying that knowledge to improve their tasks and activities. Learning builds shareholder value for the long term managerial accounting system that currently guide investment and strategic offer little insight into the value that human know-how, creativity and experience added to product and services. Scandia and other companies now report intangible asset intangible asset in their balance sheet. They recognize that learning is the key contributor to value addition in the end. Business organization discourage people from learning all the time. Every time someone asks a person to do something only in a certain way prevents him here from learning to perform the activities, and this type of over prescription undermines learning. A company official chain of command and formal business producers must coexist with informal personal networks. Best leadership creates a business balance in the organization between ramping and sowing production on one hand and building capacity, competence, and personal relation on the other. Every company has a different approaches. There is no roadmap to becoming a learning organization. Culture is the key. A spirit of openness and enthusiasm for condition learning occurs when leads activity and continuously promote values. Individual must commit to personal changes. Managers need to develop confidence to let go of control and accept ambiguity and uncertainty. Such attitude change take place when individuals take personal risk and challenge themselves psychological to see and do thinking differently